How to enable or disable the home control on the lock screen for the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down, and in here, tap on Face ID and passcode. Next, enter the passcode. Then from here, we scroll down and then tap on Home Control. So tap on the Home Control toggle button to disable or enable Home Control on the lock screen. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Pressing on the lock button will allow you to go back to your lock screen. And if you turn on Home Control, then the Home Control widget can be available for you to access directly from the lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.